Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd do a quick video on one of these stocks sitting on the scanner today. MIRA had some news today, big pop. We're looking at the 3 minute chart here that's in a nice little range. I'd mentioned in the room potential trade on a 229 break. Still watching it. Kind of broke down earlier, started again, but it's about to get a positive MACD cross. And one of the things to look at on this one is scroll this over here, got an offering coming. They did a filing August 12th, $100 million. So this might be one. We've seen it happen many times before. They pop on news, chill a little bit, then get that bigger push later in the day. So just a little video, get back on the bandwagon. Fed's about to start cutting rates here soon. So we might start having some more of these videos pop up. So first one here, just a trade idea. Get back in the swing of things here. Watching it for a 229 break, maybe 226, but I'd put really tight stops on it. Probably 220 is what I'm looking at on this one. So talk to you guys later. Bye.